I forgot I have to talk through this video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share my biatch. Get it together. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a few items that I purchased from BH Cosmetics. So it's kind of gonna be like a BH Cosmetics haul, but this is actually two separate orders that I placed. I ordered some stuff way back in December and just hadn't gotten around to it. And I just got some more stuff that I ordered from their last sale. So I just wanted to do a little video sharing those items with you and letting you check them out just in case, you know, you're looking to purchase some new makeup or you're curious about BH Cosmetics. So let's go ahead and just jump right in because I have a few things to show you. So I think I'm going to start with the palettes. Some of the palettes that I purchased during the sale, they actually came with a couple of brushes or a whole brush set, so I got some really good deals. So I have the pricing here, although their pricing changes because of the fact that they have different sales at different times, but I do have my pricing here and what I got in my bundles. So I will share that with you, just so you know maybe what I paid for it and what I got in my little bundles. So let's just get started. The first thing I want to talk about is this Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. And this Take Me Back to Brazil is something that I actually got in my first order. And so for this palette, I paid $11.04. So let's just open it up, take a quick look. And this is what the back looks like. As you can see, they do have a cruelty-free symbol on there with some nice little information and ingredients. But this is what the palette looks like on the inside. So as you can see, it's very, very colorful, very, very nice. You can do all kind of colorful, tropical, beautiful looks with this. It also comes with black and white, and I believe that is a shimmer. One of these, those are all matte. Okay, so anyways, this is the palette, and it is very, very colorful, very, very nice, and I'm really, really excited to use this, of course, because I love color. I have the first Take Me to Brazil palette, which is a little bit smaller than this one, and I believe this one has like more pinks in it, so that's exciting. Okay, moving right along. Okay, so the next palette that I purchased, this was part of my first order as well, and I believe this one actually came with a couple of brushes. So this is the Carli Bybel palette, and this one is the Deluxe edition. And for this palette, along with two vegan brushes, I paid $17.99 for. So the vegan brushes that I got with this palette, I actually took them out of the box already, so they're not in the box, but these are the two brushes that came with the set. So as you can see, these are very, very nice, very soft, beautiful brushes, very nice. And like I said, they are vegan, so they came with this palette. Okay, and so this is what the palette looks like. Of course, this is a very popular palette. It's been around for quite a while, but I really wanted to get it, and so since they had the Deluxe one on sale, I went ahead and picked it up. And this is what the inside looks like. So as you can see, it's very, very pretty. There's some gorgeous colors in here, some beautiful highlights that I can't wait to try out. But you know, I should be able to create a nice, soft, or kind of sophisticated look with this palette. So that is this palette here. Very, very nice. Okay, so next let's move right along. Let's take a look at this palette here. This is the Zodiac Palette from BH Cosmetics, and this is what the box looks like. And for this palette, let's see here, I paid $14.29 for it. So let's go ahead and open her up and take a look. And so when you take it out of and they come with these little cardboard slides that they slide out of. So that's what that looks like, and the palette looks exactly like the box. So this is the back. open her up. And so far, all of the palettes have mirrors in them, which is nice. I don't use them, but it's still nice. So this is what the palette looks like. So as you can see, there's some really, really nice colors in here. It's like a nice little color wheel, and then it has these like baked highlighting or shimmer shades, I should say, in there. And then in the center, I believe that, yeah, that is like a white highlight right there in the center. So this is what that palette looks like. So it's very, very pretty. You know what, I'll go ahead and just do a couple of swatches. Ooh, okay, all right. So that is what the mattes are looking like. And so let me go ahead and just swatch a couple of the shimmer shades. Ooh, this thing is pigmented. Very, very pretty. Oh my goodness, okay. Sorry for these crazy swatches. But those are some of the shimmers, if you can see. So this palette is nicely pigmented. Very nice. So I'm really excited about that. I wasn't gonna buy this palette, but I saw a couple of reviews on it and I was like, you know, let me go ahead and check it out, especially when it went on sale. So really excited to try this palette out. Okay, so next is a palette that I also purchased in my first order, and this is the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro palette. Actually, I think I purchased this when it first came out, so it might not have even been in my last order because I don't have the pricing for this, but it's very, very reasonably priced. But I fell in love with this palette when I saw it. So this is what the back of the box looks like. So as you can see, there's some very, very nice colors in here. It's called the Ultimate Artistry Shadow Palette. And this one comes in a nice black plastic container. And it also has the ingredients and information on the back of this palette as well. That's what the palette looks like. So as you can see, there's a very, very nice range of colors in this palette. It is very, very pretty, and you can really create a lot of different looks with this palette. There's some colors in here that are really, really nice. So, you know what, I'm gonna swatch a couple of these for you guys. Maybe a blue, a green, and a purple, and a pink. I don't know if you can see that. So that's just a few of the shades that are in here. Okay, so those are a few more of the shades that are in here. There are some really nice colors in this palette. It's kind of like a different mix of colors if you're looking for something different. I think this palette is very nice. Okay, so for this next palette I got, it's called the Special Occasion 39 Color Eyeshadow and Blush Palette. So it's very, very pretty. And this one actually did come with a brush set. It was a bundle deal, and it came with the Face Essential 5-piece brush set, which is this here. And this bundle at the time that I purchased it was only $13.99. So that was a really good deal. So let's go ahead and check out this palette, and then we'll look at the brushes. Okay, so this palette comes in a nice black plastic container as well, and it looks like this. And it also has the information on the back, which is very, very nice. Okay, so once again, this palette has a nice mirror in it. So hopefully I won't blind you guys, but this is what the actual palette looks like. I'm really looking forward to using this. I think this is actually probably a great travel palette because it gives you a lot of options. A lot of these palettes are great travel palettes, I think, because when you're traveling, it's nice to be able to take one palette with you and have several options. So that is what this palette looks like. Very nice. Okay, so let's move on to the brush set that came with that palette, the Face Essential 5 brush set, and see what these look like. Taking them out of the box, this is what they look like in the wrappers. So there's a powder brush, a duo fiber brush, a contour brush, a foundation brush, and a concealer brush. So that's what this comes with. This is quite soft. I I don't really care for these type of brushes, the flat ones that are like really soft, because honestly I don't know what to do with them. I like them when they have a little bit of firmness to them, because then, you know I can use them for contour, but when they're soft like this, I don't know. I don't even like soft brushes like this for my foundation. But this is a nice contour angle brush. And then this here, nice eyeshadow brush, foundation brush, nice little fluffy powder brush. So all in all, it's a pretty nice set. I think for this set, along with that palette, $13.99 wasn't too bad. Okay, so let's move along to our next item. And let's see here. This is the Smoky Eyes 28 color eyeshadow palette. And this is what it looks like. So let's open this baby up. And this palette was $8. $8. Ooh, okay. And this is what this palette looks like for the Smoky Eyes. So it's very pretty. Let's do a couple of swatches. So that's a few swatches out of this palette. The purple and the blue is pretty. The red looks a little pinkish. Let me just do a couple more swatches from here. Okay, so I'm seeing a bit of fallout from this palette, but those are a few of the shimmer shadows. And so, yeah, they're not as pigmented as some other palettes that I have. So just keep that in mind if you are thinking about purchasing this palette. The colors look really deep in the palette, but the swatches aren't really coming off as deep as you might would think. Okay, so this next palette I'm really excited to check out. It is this Club Tropicana palette, and it also came with a Carnival Celebration brush set. It came as a bundle, and it was $18.99 for the bundle. So I'm really excited about this because it looked really pretty online, bright and colorful. So let's see. The packaging is beautiful, that's for sure. It's very nice. Has these cute little palm trees on here, and so I like that a lot. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like on the inside. As you can see, it's some very nice, pretty pastel type shades. You got a bright green, a yellow, a pink, and here a peach. So there's some really nice pastels. Of course, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch a few. Okay, so those are some of the colors from the palette. There's the yellow, bright green, purple, and a peachy type shade. So yeah, the colors, they aren't too bad. The swatches look pretty nice actually. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to using that. I can do a nice pastel tropical look with it. So that is that. This is the Tropicana palette. And so let's take a look at the brush set that came with this. This is the box that it comes in. So it's a nice 12-piece brush set and has quite a few brushes in here. Oh, they're so pretty. They're pink. Very pretty. Oops, missing a brush. Okay, so let's check these out. So these are all the brushes you get. See if I can get them together. These are all the brushes that come in this kit, which is very pretty. Very nice. I like the pink. I don't have any brushes with handles that are this color, so I like it a lot. I'm not going to open these up and go through them because they're just regular makeup brushes. But it is a 12-piece set. I think it's going to look really pretty with the rest of my brushes. Okay, so the next item is one more palette that I purchased, and this was at a really good price. It was $10.49, and this is the Modern Mattes. So this is a Modern Mattes palette, and this is what it looks like. So once again, it has their signature clear cover, but all of these shadows are matte. So this is what this palette looks like. So I'm kind of curious about this palette and how the colors, are how pigmented the colors are. I want to go ahead and swatch a few of these also. Okay, so actually they're not bad at all. I'm loving that top color. Looks like a, I don't know, like a bricky orange type shade. But yeah, the pigments are not bad actually on this matte palette. So if you were thinking about this one, yeah, the swatches look pretty nice. So that's that one. Y'all don't like my new colorful background? Y'all ain't said nothing about it. I like it. Okay, I have one more item, one last item, and this is a very nice brush set. It's called Rose Romance, and it is a 12-piece brush set, and this is what it looks like. And this set was $14.99. I think at this point I'm all brushed out. Ooh. So this one comes with a case. Very, very nice. Okay, so this is what the case looks like. Just a simple white leather case, and it has rose gold detailing here, and the zipper is rose gold also. So it's actually very, very cute. Smells like plastic. Oh, so it's cute on the inside. It has BH Cosmetics on the inside of the bag. I'm not going to open up all these brushes either, but this is what the set looks like. So it's very, very pretty. Very nice. White handles with the rose gold accent. So if you like rose gold, then you'll probably like these. Feels pretty nice, pretty soft. So I think this is a very, very pretty set for the price. Oh, and I got one more item. I forgot. I didn't purchase it though. I got this little, what is this, precision sponge by Studio Pro. So it looks like this, and this came free with one of my orders. So I guess they were giving these away once you reached a certain amount for your order. So I'll try it out. I guess it might be good for getting in the corners under the eyes. So that is that. That is my whole BH Cosmetics haul for today that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative and helpful and fun to watch. I like to watch people opening stuff. But that's it for today, guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Toodles! I like the new background. I thought it was cute. I don't know. Y'all don't like brick? Y'all don't like color? Y'all don't like colorful bricks?